Hello everyone, it's Bob Butera with lesson 7 of our fall meditation course. This week we will have the Sunday morning class at the Devon location next to Whole Foods Market, but Monday night we'll move into our new facility, which is 111 East Lancaster Ave, at the Devon Design Center, across from the Devon Horse Show. It'll be on the second floor. You'll probably see our pretty large sign there. So Sunday morning, you're next to Whole Foods. We switch on Monday, November 1st. This week's lesson is called Slowing Down, and it relates to a point in our course when you can start to feel overwhelmed with the number of exercises that we've done in week 6. So we're going to repeat the sound exercise as a key thing to practice and integrate. It's not necessarily that easy to overcome our reaction or even understand our reaction to sounds, which again, in the terms of building a meditation practice and a quiet mind, these types of disturbances happen regularly. And of course, they happen in our daily lives. The other point that we're going to make in relation to this slowing down is our relationship to technology. Having this course on my mind a lot lately, I've been sharing this in a lot of the yoga classes, how our society goes very fast, and it's somewhat paradoxical. As everyone knows, we can click on the computer and look at Facebook and catch up with a friend who moved to California, but we don't see our own neighbor, or we don't talk to our own grocery store guy because we're just checking out real fast and we swipe our credit card and it all happens so quickly. So with technology, there's a little checklist in the assignment that you might think, do you actually unplug, as ironically as we sit here doing a YouTube video lesson here, but do you unplug at certain points during the day? Are you on your cell phone constantly? What's your behavior pattern with technology? And does your nervous system have a chance to shut down? We find that is very important. Technology is a new tool in terms of the communication side of it. I mean, television is one thing that speeds up people's lives, where we think we're relaxing on the couch, but when you watch TV, there's a tremendous amount of stimulation. Well, of course, magnify that with our computer and internet now, and then onto the cell phones and all the various devices that we have. So be mindful of that, review the lesson, and bring up any points of learning now that you've stuck with this for moving into your 7th week. You might bring some things to class about how this has affected you. I've heard some very inspiring comments from a few people I saw in the weekly meditation class that we have on Thursday nights, and at different times when I see folks after class, I always hear a lot of positive comments. Meditation is not easy, but if you're guided and you recognize that small steps make big difference, you don't have to think that you become all of a sudden this perfect meditator, because there really isn't one, but all along you're quieting your mind. So we'll keep this talk short and sweet. We're slowing down, giving us a time to assimilate things, and I'll wish you the best on your continued journey. And we'll see you next week via this video, and hopefully sooner at our new location.